You don't need to live in America to target an America audience on YouTube. But if your video keeps attracting viewers from the wrong countries, there might be a reason, and it's probably not what you think. In this video, I will explain strategies on how you can target USA viewers easily in 2026. If you are new here, welcome to White Tech Consult. This channel is dedicated to helping small content creators grow successfully on YouTube with practical strategies, channel growth tips, and proven ways to grow without wasting time. So I'm going to start with this. If you want to target USA audience, make sure you have your channel optimized with USA description, keywords, language, and USA tags. So you can mix it in your channel. If you have not watched video on how you can create USA account, so make sure you watch my video. The link is up here, or you can just check my YouTube growth tips playlist. Now, many creators usually make this mistake. Many usually feel that once they create a video, they can post it around USA viewing hours, maybe at night, or maybe to target USA audience at specific time they are going to be online. So it's also part of it, but it's a mistake. Or some just use USA keyword. No, you have to structure everything from the start. But I'm going to start with topic and title. So if you want to make a video, you already have your content cluster target around what you want to do on YouTube. So I also made a video on how you can create content cluster. Check my playlist and you see that video there. So now, once you have that in place, then the next thing is to go to ChatGPT or Vidic. So just tell ChatGPT that I want to make video on this particular title. Make this title target USA audience, or rewrite this title to target USA audience, and you see the Vidic is going to give you keywords. Or you can also do this manually. Just research keyword that target USA, or structure your title that fits USA language. You can use Google Trends, Google Search, and Vidic, ChatGPT to do this. So let me give you an example. Let's say you have a general title that you want to post before, or you want to make video on, and how to make money online on YouTube. This is a general title and it doesn't target USA. So you can enhance it to, for example, 7 online jobs that America can start in 2026. Can you see American has been structured there, and even the language has been structured to fit America audience. So now your title is in place. Then what next? Your thumbnail. Research about channels that have USA audience and look at their thumbnails, or look at your competitors that are doing well and look at their thumbnails. I also made this kind of example in my last video, how to increase views on YouTube. You can watch that video as well. So once you do this, have this in place, the next thing now is your content. Now, once you want to write your content, especially someone that is using AI script and AI voiceover to make video, this is going to be super easy for you. Just go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT that write a script that targets American audience and uses American basic language, targets USA audience from 55 years above, especially women. Now, this is very, very superb. 55 years old and above usually have patience to watch your video to the end. But 22, 20, 30, they don't have time. They just want to research and leave the place. So if you are targeting 55, 45, 55 years upward, then you have tendency for your channel to go viral very fast, because those kind of people have patience, especially women. You know, women are emotional. So if you create a content that is very good, women will be very, very attached to it. So that is why you have to write that kind of script if you are using AI voiceover. But for those people that are not using AI voiceover, like this kind of video I'm recording, so you can tell ChatGPT to write a powerful hook for you that targets USA audience with USA age range of 55 years and above and women. You know, your hook is not going to be long, maybe just 40 words, so you can use that at the beginning of the video. Then you can now express yourself in the rest of your video, just like the way I'm doing. If you watch my video targeted USA audience, and now I'm expressing myself. You can keep recording your video and explain to viewers how they can do this and they do this, and that is exactly what I'm doing in this video. So now, once you create your content, now you know that you have packaged your title to target USA audience, you have packaged your content to target USA audience. The next thing is that you want to upload this video. Now this comes where you also have to research about keywords, USA keywords. Go back to ChatGPT, give ChatGPT your title, that use this title to give me 10 keywords that target USA audience based on 45 years old range or 55 years old range and mostly women. Can you see? So you are doing it from beginning to this last stage. So it's going to give you that keywords, 10 keywords. So then also add your niche related keywords to it, making 15, 20, depending on how you see fit. So now you have the keywords. Now go back to ChatGPT. You now take ChatGPT, use the list of these keywords to write description for my video title below. Then put your video title. So you put the keywords, you put your video title, and you will see the magic. So ChatGPT is going to use those keywords to write your video description. Then you can put that video description in your video description box. Then copy the keywords list, go and put it in your tag box. Then upload the video. Make sure you set end screen, and make sure you also set cards so that people can keep watching your video. Once you finish this and you upload your video, the next video, keep doing that and keep looking at your YouTube analytics of each video. Once you see one video move very fast, there's something you do in that video that makes that video move very fast or have a lot of views. So go to that video, check the audience on a particular audience that viewed that video, and if you see that it's America audience, then this is your best chance of going viral. Look at the keywords you use in that video, look at the description, look at the way you structure that content, then use it to create another video. I'm not saying you should copy that same video. Then extract the keywords, the description, some content you mention in that video that related to USA keyword, then use it for another video title you want to create, and you will see that your channel is going to be moving fast and you are going to be able to target USA audience. I hope I'm able to show you on how you can target USA audience in 2026. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and follow this channel. This is the best way you can motivate us to keep doing what we are doing. And if you still want to know more about how to target USA audience, just type USA in the comment section and I'm going to reply to your comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remain blessed. Bye.